So this is what is going on in the crypto market. We have Hamster Combat, which is about to go live on Binance on 26th of September 2024. But before the listing, there is a rumor about it, and that is everyone is calling it worst airdrop in history. And of course, everyone is rejecting it. Why? Because they say that they have worked so hard for this airdrop and they're getting literally peanuts. For a million or billion points, you're getting few cents or few dollar worth of token. Now in this video, I will tell you how far the price can go and will predict the exact value of Hamster token, which is HMSTR, and tell you what can go right with this token, especially after the token announced its tokenomics. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Hamster Combat. Now before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press subscribe, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and click on the link below and join our Telegram group right away. So what is wrong with Hamster, guys? Actually nothing. If you see right over here, the token has increased the supply from 10 billion to 100 billion. So that makes it very diluted. But you have another token called Dogs, which has a total supply of 500 billion token, and that has done very well, especially in the first month. I will come to that later. Now you can see the total supply 100 billion tokens, phase 1 distribution. These many tokens will be distributed in phase 1, which is 60 billion tokens. But there's a catch. You won't get a total share of this pool, because if you go back here, you will see the token will be vested for 10 months, especially 11.25% of token will be delivered as season 1 rewards. So that means you won't get total value of the tokens that you have participated. So if you want a share of all the token, you won't get it. You will get them after 10 months. So after that, they will also freeze second set of token, which they will airdrop in the second season, which is like phase 2, 15 billion token, and then team liquidity marketing. These are the further breakups. So that's how the people are disappointed, because they have put a lot of efforts, but in return, they're getting literally peanuts. Now you can see here, people blasted the project for awarding them the equivalent of few dollars for 6 months of work. So that is kind of, bad luck for the people, I must say. Of course, Notcoin, people say is better, Ketizen is better, and of course Dogs is even better, but not Hamster Combat. But is it the truth? That is what we need to find out. So let me go back and check some of the details about other tokens which got listed and what can be its chance in the long run. So here you have Dogs token. So if you see here the chart of Dogs, it has pumped on month 1 of listing. Again, that indicates whenever a Telegram bot lists on exchanges, it will pump on first month of listing. That is for sure. And I will prove it with my second pick, which is your Notcoin. So Notcoin is another Telegram bot, you can say gaming bot, and if you see the price of it, let me show you the price. So it pumped again in first month and second month. So clearly, if Hamster Combat get listed here on Binance on the first month, which is like 26th of September, it will pump for at least 1 month, or you can say at least for 30th of September, this token should pump before plummeting down. Now here is a positive thing for you. You can bet high on Hamster Combat, at least at the time of listing. Now the question is, how far or how high this token can go? So let me give you an example, clearly a clear example. So let's say the token supplies 100 billion. Phase 1 is just 60 billion tokens. So if we take example of 100 billion tokens, go back to the chart of market cap, and let's say it reaches $1. So you have Tether holding at $119 billion market cap. So again, you have Hamster Combat, which is listing at how much? 60 billion token. Not every token is going to be listed. So let's say it is around, for example, how much should I do it? Let's say keep it at around 50 billion tokens. So let's say there are 50 billion tokens in circulation at the launch. And so the market cap can go as high as between Solana and USDC for a $1 value, which makes Hamster Combat at around 5th position, which is again not possible. So if anyone tell you that Hamster Combat can reach $1, well, that's a fake news. That's a fake analysis. Now, can it reach, if not 60 billion or if not 50 billion, can it reach 5 billion market cap, which is 10 cents? Or we go down here and we see 5 billion market cap. Who is at 5 billion market cap? So we have right now Near Protocol at 5 billion, DAI, Leo token, Uniswap at 5 billion market cap. So what I'm trying to put here is that if the supply is 60 billion token, and let's say some of it is vested, and let's say 50 billion tokens are in circulation. So when the token will reach $1, you have 50 billion market cap, which is 50 billion into $1. If the token has market cap of 5 billion, that means 50 billion into 0.1 dollar, which is 10 cents of market cap. So can it reach 10 cents? Well, to look at this chart, it looks quite possible, but you have big players like Uniswap, Leo Token, Litecoin already at this place. So can it reach 0.01, which is $0.01? That is close to 50 million. So that is quite possible. So what I believe, the token has a good potential, at least for now, because they have freezed the token. Of course, you won't get a big value out of it, but the token price can actually pump. It can pump to the level of at least 10 cents. At the max, it can go to 10 cent. If not 10 cent, it can go to level of 0.05 or 0.1. That is for sure. So that's the value you can derive. And if you're someone who's invested, I think week one of this token will be bullish before it get crushed or before the sellers come in and start selling the token. Just like Notcoin, just like your Dogecoin, this token can pump for the next 5 to 10 days after listing, which is on September 26th. So that's my analysis, and I believe this token can pump initially and can make you money. Of course, if you're not holding a lot of tokens, you won't make much, that I can say. But if you're someone who has participated in the airdrop, I think you should wait for the 3-4 days for this token to settle and pump, and then you can invest in it. That's a good way to go about it, and I believe 10 cent is very much possible. So with that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video shared on the screen. Do check out my channel. Do subscribe. Do join my Telegram. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video and a new content. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.